Oh, I just realized that I'm not on the screen. Hold on, guys. Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. Let me show you my face. Here we are. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And let's just talk a little bit about Bitcoin and see what's going on the charts. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pump on ETH. I'm going to go over a little bit about some levels. Let's just take a look at ETH real quick because we are trying to get into a short on ETH at the moment. So, I mean, ETH on the 4 hour is getting a blood diamond on Market Cypher. Okay, and it looks like we have a nice M formation forming, so that could be something that we'll be looking out for. Alright, so we are looking to get into a solid short on ETH. I was going to do a cheeky little long, but I missed it. I longed right here and then got stopped out, of course. But let's just take a quick look and see what's going on ETH when we're going sideways here and see where we can get into this short. Alright, so let's just take a quick look. I mean, even if you use your Fibonacci's, right, you're coming down here, right, you came right back up to your golden pocket right there. So right here, you got your golden pocket and your point of control right here sitting at 1562. Alright, so we're going to mark that down right here. Alright, and if you're looking on your Trader's Reality indicator, let's see if we have a vector candle up there to take. Alright, so you got this vector right here that they want to come up and take. Alright, so it's very likely that we do get a rejection here on ETH. Alright, so we are getting that little bit of a pump right now. Alright, so my plan is to go short right at that golden pocket. Right now you're getting resistance on your 0.382 fib, naturally. Alright, so that's the plan for the day. That's going to be the short of the day. Hopefully we can ride that down into the depths of this dump. Because if you're looking at BTC here, alright, let's take off Trader's Reality because it blurs up the screen quite a bit. Alright, what do we got forming on Captain BTC here? Alright, what you do have is you do have a little bit of a falling wedge. Like so. So, is it likely maybe we come up, we test that wedge, and then, you know, it's a bear market. So even though this is a bullish pattern, it's likely to break down. Alright? So, you know, we got blood diamonds popping up on the 15-minute on BTC. We got a blood diamond on the 4 hour. Alright? And you do have this M formation on BTC here. Hit, rise, hit, rise. And what we want to see is we want to see it come back up and test the bottom of the M. Alright? You come back up, test the bottom of the M before continuing down. Alright? So you got support on your 55 EMA on the 4 hour. Alright, I got a bunch of lines here. Let's check out what these lines are doing for us. Alright, so, I mean, you know, you had this down, this yellow line I got here, because you had one touch here. Anybody in here? Nobody's ever in here. I do these videos for me, people. We got touches here, here, and here. Alright, so it's a logical place to bounce. Alright, and that would have been a good long, a cheeky little long. Alright, high leverage, low money. I don't know. Alright, so you are going to get that push up possibly to about 22,746. Alright, I got that level marked out. We should probably redo some of these levels. We should clear this up a little bit. We got too many lines on my charts here. Let's clean things up a little bit. Let's get a little bit of a clean chart. Let's go to the daily here. All right. You know, I thought we'd be coming up to some of these red boxes, you know, a little bit higher. We didn't get very high at all. We didn't get very high at all. We stayed in the bear flag. We never filled this gap. I mean, you know, the one thing is that on these higher time frames, you know, you did get the green dot on Market Cipher on the weekly. In fact, you even got a green dot on the 2-week. So, you know, that it makes me hesitant to think we're going down lower here. All right, let's look at our Heikinashis. Heikinashis, we are just in a massive downtrend. But look, you know, on the 2-week, you are getting that reversal candle. So that's something to note. Just saying. Today it's like 100 degrees. I'm going to the beach, so I'm gonna make this a quick video. I want to get down the shore. I definitely want to get down the shore. It's just that, you know, we are in a bear market. You are in a bear flag. You got the FOMC meeting coming up next week. You know, could we possibly dump down, play along this line, and then dump? That's something to be thinking about. All right. So, all right, what do we got going on here? We got short signals popping up on Market Cipher. All right, like I said, we got the 4-hour blood diamond. Maybe we come back up and we test the bottom of this M here, right? And on the 4-hour, I don't know if we had a high vector candle on the 4-hour, but if there is, no. See how we came back up and took this vector candle right here? Something to note. All right. Anyway, let's go back over here. So, I mean, technical analysis, you know, will take you so far. Looks like ETH wants to come up and break this fib right here. All right. Let's just pop over to BTC. I'm skipping all over the place, but money flow on the 1-hour. You're getting a green dot on the 1-hour. That would justify us coming back up to test that M. And you can even make it back up here to your 1-hour 55 EMA. Maybe you come all the way back up here, get a crazy pump, stop all these shorts out, and you know, and then continue down. You know, or you could pump right through. Who knows? Who the F knows? Who the F knows? But it does look like we are going to be coming up a little bit here. This is the 7-minute. All right. It looks so weak. 7-minute. You got these green dots here. All right. Usually signifies some upside. 1 hour. I got no divvies. No divvies. But 1 hour, money flow is starting to curl back up. VWAP is starting to come back up on the 1 hour. That's a good sign. So we could be seeing some upwards action in the short term, but in the long term, I do think we do see some more downwards action. All right. So let's see what we got going on here. On the 6 hour, you got money flow curling down, about to cross the 0 line. VWAP coming down, not looking too hot at the moment. All right, this thing, it could come up, or you know, it's the weekend. It could just dump straight down. You know, I don't. You wouldn't think so, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. All right. Looks like you're getting support on your 800 EMA on your 15-minute. Let's go back to ETH. I want to put in a cheeky long up there to the golden pocket. That's what I want to do. Might do it. See, when you're looking on these little scalp longs here, you know, you got money flow coming up, but you got your VWAP coming down on the 3 minute, 7 minute. 7 minute looks nice. Money flow. 7 minute looks dope. You just had your pullback. If you want a long, now is the time to long. So yeah, I mean that's basically it in a nutshell. What's the crypto fear and greed index at? 31. Anything pumping today? On the day, Axie Infinity, Phantom up, Ethereum Classic still pumping. On the 1 hour, the CRV's up. On the week, Ethereum Classic is the big winner for the week. And I mean that's really it. I'm looking up Sam Bankman-Fried. Alright. So basically, you know, it would be nice to put in a cheeky little long here to the golden pocket. Because, you know, you got your 15-minute Stokes almost topped out. That's not really good for a long. If you're looking for a pump, I mean, you can get a little pullback here. You know, I would be going really high leverage because, you know, it's not that big of a move. It's just not that big of a move, you know? You know, 2%. Not that's nothing crazy. 1 hour, your Stokes are low on your 1 hour, that's good. Stokes are low on the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8. But they're all pointing down. That's the other thing. So it looks like they're getting a little bit of a short squeeze. That's kind of like what I'd be looking at to catch here. A little bit of a short squeeze. Go back to BTC. What we could have in the short term, and it looks like it might be happening, looking like you're getting a little bit of a dumpy dump, is a nice little W formation back up to the upside. Sammy, cup in handy. So what would that be? Get back down to there. You got a little trend line forming here. Looks like you're bouncing off of it at the moment. Trying to catch everybody going long. Who knows? Who the F knows? What's funny is that BTC looks like it wants to dump and ETH looks like it wants to pump. 15-minute money flow. Coming down still. Look at how ETH just wants to pump. I don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows. Alright. So, you know, that's it. That is it. Looks like we want to pump a little bit. A little pump up. Throwing the long now. Pray. Break that fib. Come up. A little 100%er. Throwing 100x leverage. Go nuts. Go ape. Oof. No one wants to long that candle right there. I want to. I want to throw it in. Short squeeze. And just long at resistance right here at a fib. That's not good. Always looking for this long entry, and I never put it in, and then I always regret not holding it because I know where it's going. I know where it's going. It's going up to the golden pocket, and then we're going to short it back down. That's, in essence, everything. It's just where do you get your entry? You're getting resistance off your 55 EMA on the 5 minute, 7 minute. It's going to be sitting up there looking for pullbacks. You know, your 1 hour, where's your fib? So your 1 hour 55 EMA, you can get a little spike above it. In fact, you might even come up to the 786 fib. That's something to think about. All right. The 1 minute doesn't look too shabby. 3 minute, getting a green dot. 7 minute looking to cross over. And here comes your little pullback. Anyway, it is getting late. It is 10 o'clock and it is 100 degrees outside. I want to get to the beach. Alright, is there anything I wanted else to go over? Anything else? I mean, BTC, like I said, 2 week green dot, alright? And, you know, going back in history, these green dots on the 2 week have marked bottoms, alright? So just saying, but things are a little bit different now, let's just say that, alright? 3 day, you got snake eyes, you know, 5 day snake eyes, you know, but we didn't get that much out of it. Let's just say that. You did not get that much out of the snake eyes. And on the 5 day, now you've wicked up here. You're getting a little hammer candle on the 5 day. You know, just like up here. You know, spike up, spike down, playing around. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. It looks like we want to head up to that golden pocket. Will we make it there? Nice little pullback. Get it up there. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. It is time for the beach. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Trade safe. Be well. Accumulate here. We'll be rich in 2025. I promise. I promise. Own 3 ETH. You'll be fine.